Hello kids, today we learn about nature's information. Do you know me? I know that you all are excited. Then let's start the video. I am round and round. I have many seas and many trees. You all are living on me. Guess who I am? I am Earth. I appeared at night, and clouds and your twinkling stars are playing with me. I am shiny. Who I am? Moon. Hello, I am rising early in the morning. I am bright and shiny. I am yellow in color. You know, kids, who I am? Guess? Yes, I am sun. Hello, I am blue. And many fishes are living in me. Ships and boats are floating on me. Do you know that who I am? Yes, I am sea. Hi, all the birds are flying in the... Yes, any guesses? Flying in the sky. I am sky. I am light blue in color. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye kids. Take care.